Derivative of secant x. Let us consider f of x equal to secant x. That implies f of x plus h is equal to secant of x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to secant of x plus h. Now go to the first principle of differentiation, that is the limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. That is the limit h tends to 0. Here f of x plus h is secant of x plus h minus secant x by h. Secant of x plus h minus secant x by h. That is the limit h tends to 0. 1 by h of secant h can be written as 1 by cos. That is 1 by cos of x plus h minus 1 by cos x. Minus 1 by cos x. After LCM, 1 by h into cos x minus cos of x plus h by cos of x plus h into cos x. Then cos c minus cos d. Here cos c minus cos d form is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Apply the formula. That is the limit h tends to 0. 1 by h of minus 2 sin of c plus d, that is x plus h by 2 into sin of c minus d, x minus h by 2 by cos of x plus h into cos x. By cos of x plus h into cos x. Zero 1 by h into minus 2 sin of x plus h by 2 into sin of minus h by 2 by cos of x plus h into cos x. Cos of x plus h into cos x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Minus 2 sin of x plus h by 2 by cos of x plus h into cos x into limit h tends to 0. Sin of minus 1 by 2 of h by h. Sin of minus 1 by 2 of h by h. Here minus 2 is the common. Put h equal to 0. That is sin of x plus 0 by cos of x plus 0 into cos x into the second one is of the form in the form limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x. Limit x tends to sin ax by x value is a, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, minus of minus plus sin x by cos x is a tan x and 1 by cos x is secant x and 1 by cos x is secant x. Therefore, d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. D by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Similarly, d by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Minus cosecant x cot x.